Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, my name is Jason, and in this video I will be doing another unboxing of a Korean-Japanese subscription box. So if that's something that you'd be interested in, then keep watching. Okay everybody, welcome back. As I said, this is another unboxing. This time it's of the NMNL NoMakeNoLife October box. Yes, the October box. I have just posted the September unboxing. Oddly enough, I got the September box on a Sunday, and the following day, Monday, which actually was Labor Day, I ended up getting the October box. So watch my September box first, and then watch this video, and you'll see how the boxes compare. I was kind of excited. October, Halloween, I love Halloween, so let's see what's in this box. I went ahead and pulled out the little pamphlet they give you. It's cute. And in this pamphlet, they list what's in the box and give pictures, which is great. Again, the only problem is they don't post prices. Now this time I did not look up prices for these, so if I have time I will look them up online and post them in the description, but I'm assuming they're going to be pretty comparable to what the last video was. They averaged around $3 to $5 each item. So once again, this is a $32 a month box. I went ahead and prepaid for 6 boxes. And when I ordered them, I was not aware that I was going to have to pay shipping, because other videos that I had watched, they said the free shipping. And even when I ordered on the website, there was really nothing that talked about shipping. So I went back later, looked under the FAQs, and as of August of 2020, they started charging shipping. So I am paying another $11 a month for shipping. Had I known that, I would not have ordered. But that aside, let's go ahead and see what they have put in this box. So again, this is NoMakeNoLife. It is a company in Japan, but it is Japanese and Korean items. And just a little sneak peek of what's inside. And based on the pamphlet they give you, it is definitely Halloween themed. So let's go ahead and look at these items. The first item in this box is Lavisia Heart Stick Blusher. Let's see here. There we go. Kind of. So it comes in this box. Let's go ahead and pull it out real quick. And chipper is what it says on the, sorry, I'm getting used to this light. It may be a little bright, but it's in a heart-shaped applicator. This is the, let's see if it says on the box what the color is, because I know that they came in several different colors. This is the coral pink. So that's the color, coral pink. Now it said that you can blend it in, or that you can just apply it right to the cheek if you want like a little heart-shaped blush. Yeah, that sounds very K-pop, so not something that I would be doing. We'll see. I'm not a big blush person, but I might give it a try. Anyway, let's move on. The next one is the Petite Recipe Donut Cream Lip and Cheek. And I did get a Petite Recipe in the last box, and it was a lip gloss. I'm actually wearing it now. It was a dual. It comes in this box. It's a cute little donut. Let's go ahead and take it out so you can see that better. That's strange. It's squishy. It's a little donut, but it's it's squishy. So let's see what this looks like. It's very pink. That's what the color looks like. And it's lip and cheek. Looks very creamy. I'm not gonna go ahead and swatch it or anything right now, but probably, again, not something that I'm gonna use. So we'll see. Anyway, cute packaging. That's kind of what this company is for me now, is just been known as cute packaging. Let's see, the third one, Momokos Hair Color Wax. Momokos Hair Color Wax, and I got this in like a golden yellow color. It's in this little, and most of these items, I honestly don't think that I am going to be using. As you can see, I just colored my hair. My hair was not this color in my last video. I used Arctic Fox vegan hair dye on my hair. So the two colors I believe are Purple Rain, and I can't remember the red color. I'll have to look that up and put it in the video. But I love Arctic Fox. If you have not used Arctic Fox or heard of it, it is a vegan brand. And what I really love about this, not only that it's vegan, but it's just there's no mixing involved. You just squirt the product into a tray and you just apply with the brush, and it smells like grapes. It honestly smells like grapes. Even after several rinsings now, I still smell the grape. So I would definitely recommend it, but just keep in mind that with each wash, the color does fade. So there is, let's see, Momokos Hair. That is the color. This looks like it could be almost used as like an eye. I wouldn't put it on my eye, but that's kind of what it reminds me of. It doesn't really scream hair color to me. But anyway, there's that one. That is the third item. The fourth item, I could have gotten what looks like maybe like a shadow palette, but I got this. Something that you would get in like a Party City for Halloween. So I'm not even going to talk about that anymore. That was the fourth item. Fifth item is Melty Oil Tint. Let's see, that one is this one. Okay, Melty Oil Tint. Comes in this. And again, this is not a color that I would see myself using. But honestly, to tell you the truth, I'm opening these products because I can't see myself putting these in a giveaway. I just don't see them as quality enough items. So anyway, but there's this lip tint, and comes in, you know, with a typical doe foot applicator. Has no scent, which I guess is a good thing. There's that. Then we have number 6, which is Unicorn Point Pack, which is this. And I'm not quite sure. Let's see what this one says. Unicorn Point Pack. These Unicorn Point Packs will have your skin feeling dreamy. Hyaluronic acid gives these point packs an amazing hydrating effect, while the lavender scent will have you heading to a dreamland. And make sure to try these hydrating patches on not only your face, but your elbows and knees too. So it sounds like it's just a little patch that you put on dry spots, either on your face or your elbows or knees. I might give it a try, but I'm not a big patch face mask person. So there's that. That's number 6. Number 7 is Happy Halloween Bath Powder. Okay, again, it looks like something that you could probably pick up in like a Party City or something like that. It's just a powder. It's supposed to turn the water orange. I don't know if it's got a scent or not. And honestly, I don't know if I'd want to bathe in orange water. I do love the color orange, but bathing in orange water isn't something that sounds good to me. It says it has a sweet aroma. That's all it says. So, number 8 is Unicorn or Mermaid Sheet Mask, and I got the Unicorn Mask. So there's that. I have tried one face sheet mask, and I liked it, so I will definitely give this a try. I definitely like sheet face masks better than the peel-off kind, so I'm glad that this is a sheet and not a peel-off. That was the 8th item. If you have seen my last video, last month they gave me a bonus item. There is no bonus item in this box. So, $32 plus another $11 for shipping. And this was their Halloween box. Their Halloween box with their face crayons. And their orange bath dye. Alright folks, that will do it for me for this. Let me know what you think of the NoMakeNoLife products that you've seen in this unboxing. Let me know if you think it's worth the price, if you've tried any of these products, if you like them, don't like them. And I will see you next time when I'm doing either my Ipsy Glam Plus, my Boxy Luxe, or my Lip Monthly unboxing that I'm supposed to be getting this month. So until then, please take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I really, really, really would appreciate it. Take care. Bye, everybody.